Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification channel for more updates. I don't post full videos, I give updates. Thank you.
I don't think it's worth my time to try and, compensate with a person whom I know very well is not meant to be my person, is not supposed to be my person. And above all, somebody that I'm not going to recommit to. If she wants to speak, she can speak, but now I'm done. She knows I'm done. I don't know if she can.
Let's close it.
Yes, when conflict has reached a stage where there's contempt, this is the evidence of what contempt looks like from those people. And we say, when you're trying to manage the conflict, like we want to avoid getting it to this level where there's no respect for the other party.
He sees nothing wrong with his erratic behavior. 1 minute he's apologizing, the next minute he's inhumane all over again. That's just annoying.
I'm not okay, cause
Typical of him, he's always drinking, he's always drunk. JJ. No, guys. Arrogance.
It's so cold there.
Absolutely nothing to say.
He's walking away. He is walking away. He is walking away.
Ongqongqoshe had to act quickly to convince Tshepo to return to the altar and honor the process of recommitting or walking away.
I'm annoyed because I was paired with somebody that just wanted clout. I'm annoyed because I was paired with a mean. I'm annoyed because I was paired with somebody that just does not understand what being human is. Is he done performing?
Good.
As long as he's done performing, I'm good.
Yes. No, Palesa, it's okay. Just do what you need to do. Do what you need to do.
Palesa, whenever you're ready.
He'll go first. Let him man up for once.
Look, when I'm done, I've been done.
Talk to her, sir.
Done.
Talk to her.
Been done for a long time, so I'm done. I don't have anything else to say.
Perfect. I, Palesa Mpaki, asked for a man, not a princess that would pack his bags instead of facing the music like a man. I suffered in your hands from the time you would leave me at home.
yes.
From the time you would leave me at home to be with your girlfriends, wherever. I suffered in your hands when you did not care how I got to work and back. I suffered in your hands when you told the whole crew that Palesa is actually ugly without makeup. Look at you. Look at yourself. I suffered in your hands.
No.
And as you were, I suffered in your hands
listen.
when you changed
No,
the
you know what?
Netflix
Let me tell
password
you what.
each and every time we had a fight. I
not gonna
suffered
stay
in
for
your
something
hands
who's not
when
going
you
to
would
want
count
something.
biscuits in the cupboard
I've said
and
what I've
punish
said.
me for eating the last lemon
Shut up.
cream biscuit. I suffered in your hands, all in the name of this experience. You.
This is why your father called you
Yeah.
ugly when you were a child.
This is what.
This is why.
This is what.
There's
Now
no
I
need.
understand why.
Palesa, Palesa,
Now I
This is
understand.
what.
Palesa,
Listen,
Palesa.
your mother is a better man than you. Opened up to him as a husband about my.
What are you saying? What are you saying? What is he saying?
That is bait right now, right here. He knew that is my biggest trigger. Your mother is a
The
better
same
man
one
than
you never
you.
got to meet.
Your mother
The same
is
one you
a
never.
better man than you.
Put your hands on me
Your-
again. I
Put-
know that's what you.
Again? What do you mean again? What do you mean again?
This is within the nature. This is exactly what happens when the cameras are not there behind closed doors. So, at least you guys have got a very good sneak peek. This is what I've had to deal with.
This is what you
Then
had
you
to
ask
deal
me.
with.
You see what I mean?
You took my clothes.
Palesa,
Is
look
she
at
not
me.
the same person that threw my clothes out of the bedroom? Then,
Where,
you know?
Tshepo?
Palesa,
She started something and then now she can't
Well,
finish it. Now she wants to
something.
say shit.
Palesa,
It's not worth it. It's not valuable. It does nothing for me. It gives me nothing, honestly.
Which person on Married at First Sight has slept outside, has thrown clothes outside, has ill-treated, has sworn, and got away with it?
I need to point this out, that we understand that you might be angry,
Yeah,
but
you're
to get to a point where there is a degradation of someone else's respect just because they've disrespected you doesn't come off very well for you as well.
No.
There's a way and a certain level of maturity that you could handle a situation like this. It doesn't matter what he has done or what he says you have done, but to get to this level of contempt is absolutely unacceptable.
I challenge any man who will stand in front of her and listen to her speak in that manner. I challenge them.